Hello guys and welcome to another tutorial from Trust. So in this tutorial we're going to see how we can show different menu to different user groups in WordPress. Okay, so the first thing I would like us to do is to come to plugins and click on add new. Okay, so we are brought to the WordPress plugin repository. Now I want us to search for different menu. And hopefully we should find the plugin. Okay, so this is the one I want us to download and install. So different menu in different pages. As you can see, it's currently compatible with WordPress version because the developers are active with updating the plugin. So go ahead and click on install and have the plugin installed on your WordPress website. Okay, so I have it installed and then I would activate it. Alright, so the plugin is installed and activated. Alright, now what I'm going to do is I'm going to create a different user and place that user in a different user group. Okay, that's the only way we can see the plugin at work. Okay, so I'll come to user, and first of all let me even see all the users I have. Okay, so there's just one user, the admin user or the administrator. So I am going to click on add new user, and I'm just going to quickly add some data. So and I'm just going to select an easy password. So I'm going to set this user to subscriber, and I'm going to go ahead and click on add new user. Okay, so currently I have an admin user and a subscriber. Okay, so now let's go back to our menu. So I'm going to go to appearance and menu. So essentially there are actually two user roles. Okay, so this first menu, main menu, I'm going to show to the admin. Okay, so the menu with the home, the login, and the blog page. Okay, so I'm going to show it to the admin. So but what I'll do is I would create another menu. So I'm just going to scroll up, like I'm going to create another menu entirely. So I would click on create new menu, and I'm going to say subscriber menu, and I'll click on create menu. Okay, so in the subscriber menu, basically what I'm going to do is I'm just going to add a sample page. What else? Accounts and maybe terms. Okay, something different just for us to identify that the subscriber is seeing a different menu. Okay, so sample page, account, and terms for the subscriber. Yeah, and then I'll save menu. All right, now what I'm going to do is I'm going to go to different menu in different pages. Okay, so it says click here to go to different menu in different pages settings. So remember that I'm in appearance and menu, so I'm just going to click here, and it will take me to the interface for the different menu, different pages settings. So what I'm going to do now is I'm going to, so this says theme location, primary menu, assign menu, main menu. So I'm going to click on this, and I would say add different menu. So I'll click on the plus icon here, and I would select subscriber menu, and then this setup essentially would help us assign this subscriber menu to one of the user roles. Remember, we have the administrator and the subscriber. So I'll click on setup here, and I will just look for user role. So where is it? So this is user role here. Okay, I'll click here and I'll click on subscriber, and then I'll save changes. Okay, so the changes have been saved. So what I will do is I would open an incognito tab and log in as the subscriber. So let me do that quickly. Okay, so here I can choose to log in as whatever I want. So I'm going to log in as a subscriber, and I'll remember me and log in. Okay, so I'm logged in as the subscriber, and I'm currently on the back end. Okay, so what I'll do is I'll just go to the front end. So I'll come here and I'll say visit site, and let's see. Okay, so as you can see, we have, this is, I'm logged in as a subscriber here, and we have sample page, account, and terms. Okay, so now let's go back and see the administrator login. So for the administrator, I'll visit the site, and let's see what happens here. So you see, for the administrator here, we have home, login, and blog. Okay, while for the subscriber we have sample page, account, and terms. Okay, so essentially we are showing different menu to different user roles. Okay, what I'm going to do now is I am going to show you more stuff we can do with this plugin. Okay, so if I come to set up, so you know we are working with user roles here, but we can actually work with different options here. So for example, pages, now we can have an entirely different menu on a page. Okay, so for a page like maybe profile page, we can choose to, you know, create a special menu for the profile page and, you know, display that menu on the profile page. Okay, so also I'll go back to appearance and menu just to show you one more thing we can do. And this is the subscriber menu here. So right on the subscriber menu, we can click on what's it called, a menu item. Okay, and we can have settings we can, you know, place on that menu item. So it says displays to, and it's currently set to everyone. Okay, so what I can do now is I can select this, and I can say I want it to be shown to only logged in users or only logged out users. And if I choose to show this page to only logged in users, then I can also go ahead and select a role. Okay, so I can click on this place here and say, look, I want it to be shown to only maybe authors or maybe subscribers, or, you know, stuff like that. Okay, so that's the power of using this different menu plugin. But before I round up this video, it's important for me to tell you that this plugin has a limitation. Okay, so for the free version, you get to, let me go back to the menu page. So for the free version, you get to use the menu, I think, 3 times. So you can set different menus for 3 different user roles, and after that you would not be able to, you know, set more menu for different user roles. So but then there is also a pro plugin. So let me just click on this to show you the pro plugin. I think it goes for like 11. Oh, it's now $19. Okay, So this is the Pro plugin that gives you unlimited options, so you can set as many menu as you want, and it goes for $19. I think they have a refund policy. I'm not 100% sure about that. Okay, but you should definitely go ahead and check out the Pro version of the plugin. All right, that's the tutorial. Thank you so much for watching. If you're not subscribed to my channel, hit the subscribe button right away. See you in another video.